So today we'll be in tradition checking out a finished home in a new community that's offering more modern designs. Recently, I've been able to get clients of mine deals on homes that are move-in ready and incentives to help with closing costs and lower interest rates. So if you are looking for a home here in South Florida, reach out to me personally and I can help you too. So we're coming up to the Cascades model, which is their starting size for a 4-bedroom home here in Cadence. This particular design is their contemporary elevation, which stands out with the bricks around the covered entry, the sleek garage door, and the glass front door. This floor plan comes in at roughly 1,900 square feet under air with 4 bedrooms or 3 in a den, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. You have a proper foyer that leads into the central living space and owner suite in the rear. And each of their homes comes standard with concrete block construction, hurricane impact windows, and natural gas for your kitchen and water heater. They are also exclusively located in the Tradition area of Port St Lucie, which is where you'll find the Tradition Hospital, retail, new and higher rated schools, and planned future commercial development is concentrated here. With homes like this in private gated enclaves that take care of your landscaping and irrigation, internet, cable, and security alarm monitoring, and access to your community's very own private pool. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I am an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. And for homes like this, I've been able to help my clients maximize their incentives and get the best deal possible on a brand new home. So if you're interested in this home or something similar to this here in Port St Lucie, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.